I am 5854. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to the Ella employer in Hong Kong. My name is Jelacy Nitea Balote. I am 33 years old. I am single. I am from Bicol, Legazpi City, Albay, Philippines. I am Roman Catholic. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate.
Okay. Since you have an experience being a helper here in the Philippines, tell me about your experiences as a
In
helper.
my first employer, I serve 5 members of the family, half Filipino, half Chinese. My main duties are taking care of the 10 years old girl and 4 adults aged 28 and 45 years old, 2 elderly aged 73 and 80 years old. My main duties are cooking Filipino and Chinese food, cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, taking care of the pets, and taking care of the elderly.
And you are also taking care of the 10 years old, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And your second employer?
In my second employer, I serve 5 members of the family, 1 child aged 3 years old boy, 2 teenager aged 12 and 14 years old, 1 couple. My main duties are preparing cooking foods, send the kids to school and pick up the kids after the school, and cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, marketing, taking care of the pets, and gardening.
Okay. Since you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will you do if the newborn baby is crying?
First, sir, check the baby, the diaper maybe is full, take the body temperature, and feed the baby maybe the baby is hungry.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry, everything that you have done, what will
Sir,
you
I
do?
will call the employer immediately and I said the baby is not feeling well and not feeling well.
Okay, so you will call the employer's attention. Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
So I want to work in Hong Kong with the high salary in cities Asia.
Okay, safest country.
In Asia.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long my employer need my service, sir, and I'm willing to sign the contract again.
So it is okay to extend your contract. Since you have an experience being a helper on a Chinese family, so you know
Yes.
how to prepare Chinese food,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
What kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Steamed fish, steamed egg, steamed vegetable, Chinese noodles, and steamed pork and steamed seafoods.
Okay. It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your
Yes, sir.
employer. How about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
It is okay with you?
It's okay to me, sir.
Okay. Taking care of pets
Yes, sir.
because you have a
Yes,
experience,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes, sir. I'm willing to learn Cantonese words.
Okay. Last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I'm loyal, trustworthy, hardworking, and honest, and I will teach your family as on my family too. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Jelice. Thank you.